It's your favorite drone pilot once again, and today we are going to focus on the QuickShot mode in DJI Drones. The QuickShot mode is good for beginner drone pilots as the drone does everything by itself once the drone is prompted. Enjoy the video and remember to subscribe for more upcoming drone videos. Let's go.